Hello friends and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this Volkswagen logo in SolidWorks. So let's start. First we'll have to open a new part, then we'll have to open a sketch in the front plane. Here we'll start with a circle with a diameter of 125 millimeters. Now go to features, use extruded boss. Here we'll put 5 millimeters as a thickness and press OK. And now we'll open a sketch on this face. And here we'll make two other circles. This one will have the diameter of 100 millimeters. And this one will have 83. Now we'll make two center lines. Okay, and now with line we'll make this right here. Select these two lines and make them parallel. Okay, and now between them will be 10 millimeters, and from this line to the center line will be 1.25 millimeters. Okay, now we'll use mirror to mirror these three lines, and with mirror about we'll select the center line. Good. Now the angle between these two will be 48 degrees. Okay, and from this line to this one will be 10 millimeters. Now with mirror, we'll mirror these two lines and we'll use this center line. Okay. Okay, so now we'll have to select line again and we'll make this right here, just like this, and then one more line here. Okay, now make these two lines collinear. Select these three lines and make them parallel. Okay, now the dimension between these two will be 10 millimeters. From this line to this center line will be 1.25. Okay, and from this point to this point here will be 10 millimeters. This is good. Now we'll have to use mirror to mirror these lines on this other side. So with mirror above, select this center line and press OK. Okay, now with trim entities we'll cut what we don't need. So this. Perfect. Now go to features, use extruded boss base, and here we'll put 3 millimeters and press OK. Now select fillet command and select this edge. Here we'll leave 10 millimeters, press OK. And now select fillet again, select this edge, and here we'll put 5 millimeters and press OK. Perfect. Now let's give the color to this part. Okay, so right click on this, go to appearance, select here fillet, we'll make it black. Okay, right click on this face, go to appearance, select here face, this one will be also black. Good. And now select all of these faces, go to appearance and make them blue or red. I will leave them blue and press OK. Now go up here to display, actually not there, here to apply scene and select here plain white. This is it. This part is done. You can use it like as a key chain, or I don't know, you can 3D print it, use it for your car, yeah. If you like it, you can leave a like, you can leave a comment. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.
Yeah.